What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Pure Strada. Yeah, today, happy days. I ordered myself a little induction kit from Enhanced Performance. It's arrived. Right here. Here we are. Arrival. Right here. Let's hope we got everything in there. About to open this up. Give me a sec. Alright, back into it. So, my trusty toolbox there. There we are. It's a cheap little one. It's alright. What I'm gonna do is quickly get one of these out. Slap it in there. That one there. Let's break the seal. Yeah, box is properly sealed, which I like to see, as you can see. Amazing, yeah. That's what you call quality, yeah. Look at that, quality, mate. I like how they've literally packaged this. I'm about to destroy the box. Well, I'm not gonna do that. So about the noisy neighbours. By the way, this thing here came actually earlier than I thought. I thought it was gonna take about 5 to 7 working days, you know, the usual thing. But no, this came pretty much the next day. Yeah, happy days. Oh, we're in. Hey. Where is she? Oh, beautiful. First thing I wanted to see. Oh, look at that. Just look at that beauty. Oh, look at that. Excited. Oh, so what is it we have in here? Amazing. Let's take a look at what we have here. Some hoses. Okay. Oh, do we have it? Oh, look at that. Wow, yeah, this looks quality. This looks quality, mate. I'll take this out, I'll tell you what. I won't be taking it out. Pack it, yeah. Until. Thanks for your order. We'd love to see a new part fitted. Tag us on Instagram, definitely will. What else do we have in here? In this, oh, some clips. Oh, yes, that's what I like to see. Oh, happy days. Is that it? I think so. Lovely. Alright, as you can see over there, the bad boy's just resting, waiting. Yeah, so we're gonna go down and fit this bad boy on in a sec, yeah? I am just excited. Hopefully I've been given everything I need so far. I don't know, do we have an instruction manual in here? I don't think so, no instructions. So it's gonna be a case of DIY and doing this myself, so yeah. Stay tuned, people. So yeah, now we're gonna take off the first screw. So we've already taken, I don't know if you can see it, I've already taken the MAF sensor off. So now we've got this one to take off. Yeah. Oh. So right, let's get into this now. I don't know how long this is going to take me. This is my first time literally fitting one of these. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Make sure I don't lose any of these clips. Especially this one. Oh yeah. No way, not going to be losing that. Put that one right back in this toolbox here. A trusty little toolbox. Alright. loosen that side, and I say I don't know, let's say that's about a, ooh, it's an 8mm, hopefully. Random guess. Looks like an 8mm socket. Is that an 8mm? Is that an 8mm? I'll let you know if it is. No, it's not an 8mm. So we're gonna go with 7mm. That's it, lovely. On 7mm. Move the camera over. So 7mm for this one here. As you can see, lovely. 7mm, 7mm, 7mm. Oh, bring it out. 7mm. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, 7mm. Guess it'll be 7mm for all of them. Alright. Loosen. Hey. Happy days. That's the part. Seems a bit embedded in, but yeah. Loosen the bottom end first and get the rest of this off, and then we get into getting this done. So we have another clip here. I don't know if you can see. Let me get this off the camera, off the bloody gimbal for a second. Right, yo. So we got another little clip here. I don't know if you can see. This one you actually just unclip like so. Oops. And free it from there. And we have another 7mm here. Right, so I've now removed this. Took a bit of a, you know, it's a bit tight, if you know what I'm trying to say, but yeah. So that's been removed. Place that down in my trusty box, and now we can remove the rest of this and start fitting in the Enhanced Performance Stage 1 induction kit. Happy days, there we are. Lovely. As you can see, it's nicely done. There we are. There it is. There she is. The old one. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to remove this MAF air sensor. Good thing I got Torx. And yeah, so that's how that's looking so far. Still haven't connected it all up yet, but yeah, I'm just making sure it's all in line. Like I said, it's my first time, you know, so doing this myself. I'm not a mechanic, so you know. Alright, so yeah, so now I've tightened this onto there, this bit. I'm gonna stick that on, get that on, connect it back up. But first we're gonna tighten up the rest of it, make sure it's sat in the correct place and it doesn't want to move. Oh, so yeah, so far this is where we're at. So yeah, let me spin this camera. Right, yo. So I've got this in clean. I'm gonna have to wipe it down. Dirty hands all over it. Put that in, that onto there. I think these parts are actually quite quality. And yeah, that's onto there. So right now, T25, and I'm just loosening up these bolts here. I'm going to take the top of the airbox cover off, and then hopefully it should support the cone. I'm not going to take it all off. Apparently you can, if you just pull it from the bottom or something like that, but yeah, I'm not that guy. I'm just going to, you know, yeah. So I'll be back when I screw this off, because one hand, two hands, you know you need two hands for these jobs, so let me get into it. Cover off. old filter. This is a fucking Halfords filter. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See that? No respect for them old filters there. Just throw it on the ground, boy. Fucking hell. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, so we're in there, get all this dust out. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to get it out. Trust me. And yeah, be with you in a sec. In a hot sec. Happy days, man. Yeah. Yeah. We're done. We are finished. Quick sound check, yeah? See what's going on. Now that we're finished. So yeah, oof, there we have it. Fitted by myself. Bit shaky on the camera, it's just me today by myself anyway, you know. But yeah, that's that, man. I'm gonna go do some pulls. I don't know, maybe road looks quite clear, but don't want to disturb the neighbours, do I? Do I? Do we now? So yeah, back at it now. Yeah, back in the car. I said to myself, look, let me just quickly rummage through this box and look what I found. Oh, you know how gassed I am to even have this right now. Because I thought to myself, all right, said, oh, purchase a sticker. Would you like to? I thought, I'm not going to purchase a sticker. Nah, not now. You know what I mean? I just want the part and rare. And look, it came in. Yeah, thank you, Enhanced Performance. Trust me. Thank you. Thank you from pure Strada. Yeah, I'll let you know this now. Thank you very, very much. This is going on the engine cover, as you know. Amazing. I'm just happy. Gassed. I'm going to stick this on now, actually. So yeah, there we are. Oh, let me spin it. Beautiful. Beautiful.